children, this is kindergarten class and I am your teacher Humaira Kaltin. How are you all? I hope you are fine and safe. Today you will have English class and our topic is capital small letters A to Z and two activities also include. Number 1 activity is circle the letter D and number 2 activity is match the letter with its sound. So children, let's start writing. Capital A, small a. Give one finger gap and write now. Next letter. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Next line. Capital E, small e. Children, what come after E? Yes, F. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Next line. What come after capital H? Yes, capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Next line. Capital M, small m. Next line. Capital N, small n. Capital O, small o. What come after small o? Capital P, small p. Next line. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. What come after S? Yes. Capital T, very good. Small t. Next line. Capital U, small u. Capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. Capital X, small x. Last line. Capital Y, small y. Capital Z, small z. Now we have finished with our writing. Let's start activities. Our number 1 activity is circle the letter D. Let's start. C, Q, T, D. Yes, circle it. Now next S D. Now again we find out the D. Circle it. Let's start. B A I O M F D. Wow! Again we find out the D. Circle it. Let's start again. U A J D. Again we find out the D. Circle it. R P D. Again we find out. Circle it. Next line. V D. Wow. Again we find out the D. Circle it. Now the first activity is finished. Let's do number 2 activity. Number 2 activity is match the letter with its sound. Let's start. Capital A match with small a. Where is the small a? There is the small a. Match it. Very good. Now next is capital S match with small s. Where is the small s? Now there is the small s. Match it. V. Capital V. Where is the small v? Now there is a small v. Match it. B. Capital B. Where is small b? There is a small b. Match now. Very good. Now next is Q. Capital Q. Where is small q? Now there is a small q. Match it. Now next is capital E match with small e. Now children, where is small e? Now there is a small e. Match it. Now the last one is capital M match with small m. Now where is the small m? There is a small m. Match it. Now children, we have finished number 2 activity also. Children, I hope you enjoyed these activities. Do practice these activities in your copy. Well student, I hope you have learned to write the alphabets. Write the alphabets in your copy, 2 pages. Kindly do your home task and submit by Friday at the school gate between 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Keep washing your hand on and off. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. See you on next class.